try this again. Unboxing the Insta360 Costco edition. Plastic undone, and then we'll go from there. It's the Insta360 X5. See everything that the Costco edition sells, and if my memory serves, it was $549. So let's see what is in the box. Alright, we got lots of packaging material. I got an extra battery, 360 camera, lens cap, $256 gigabyte Pro memory card, and an invisible selfie stick. I have 3 of those, and that's everything in the box. So there you go. Let's pause the video. We'll go to the next one, and I'll open it back up. Alright, let's start with the obvious stuff, I guess. The selfie stick. I love when I tear stuff open, so open it the right way. Anyway, everybody knows what this is. Everybody's seen this. This is the selfie stick. The invisible selfie stick. Okay, I have 3 of these now, so that goes back in the package. And I need 3 of them. Alright, so that goes back in there. Let's move on. Put that back there. Alright, this one's got tape to cut. Again, yes, I know my knife is dull. This should just be the lens cap. It goes over the top of the camera. I wish I would have had one of these on my X3 before it hit the ground. So that's pretty good deal. Alright. Nice silicone feel. All this garbage back here. Alright, so the lens cap, and then the extra battery, which is pretty self-explanatory. This is not the new extended battery, the big battery, but just a replacement for the original battery. And it does include a case. And there's the battery. So, quite a bit larger than the X3, and there's room in here for memory cards in the case. So, of course, I probably won't put it in properly. So. Back in the case for that. Let's go this back here. Safety guidelines, battery requirements, battery capacities, and just so we know, the battery capacity I believe is 2,000 milliamps. It's supposed to be on here, but this is in different languages. So let's see. Yeah, it's the regular 2,000 milliamp battery. So there we go. There's that. Now, off the side. Let's open this bad boy up. This is what I've been waiting for. There's the trash. get it out of here. Maybe. There it is. Yeah, it just opens. What am I thinking? So every angle, no limits. And here it is. This one's already got the battery in it. It's going to need to be charged. I'm going to put this on here for right now. So you can see what else is in this box. Alright, in this case we have, in this box, we have the travel case, I'm guessing. Yep, there's the travel case. There's something inside the travel case. Inside the travel case we have a protective bag. Oh, screen. Okay, this is the screen cleaner cloth. Okay, so that's what that is. We're learning these things as we go. Okay, so I'll get back in there later. And a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. I have lots of those now. And an instruction manual. And that's everything. There you go. Insta360 from Costco. And just in case you like the fun parts, let's peel these off. There's one. There's two. Flip it over. There's three. There's four. That's a little satisfaction. This is quite a bit chunkier than the X3. I will get them up and do a side-by-side comparison. So here's my X3. And here's my X5. So side-by-side comparison. X5 is a little bit taller, tiny bit maybe wider, and definitely thicker. Bigger cameras, bigger screen. Can't wait to get it going and see how it works. And I will say thanks for watching. If you have any questions about it, let me know and I will see what I can do to make it happen. And we'll get some video on the motorcycle as soon as we get back out on the motorcycle.